Hey there, today we're going to be doing a very quick setup video for this drone, the GD93 Midnight Specter from the Bigley Brothers. So let's get started. Okay, firstly what you're going to do is you're going to open up the cover of the obstacle avoidance, and then what you are going to do is slide in the obstacle avoidance unit itself, which slides into the hole just like that until it clicks in. Then what you're going to do is unfold all four arms of the drone, just like this. Let's move this out of the way. Then you're going to put a battery into the drone. Oh, there's actually one in there, so we're fine. So what you're going to do is you're going to press it and hold it until the power comes on, and the lights come on, you know it's all ready to go. Then you're going to turn on the remote itself, which is the little button up here. Press the button for a couple of seconds, it will beep, and wait for 5 seconds or so before proceeding to the next step. For the next step, you're going to actually set up the gyro calibration and the compass calibration. This is actually done outside. I'm just doing it inside here because it's easier to show you what's going on. There's not major light from outside, but this will be done when you're in the field ready to fly. Firstly, what you're going to do is you're going to take the remote controller and you are going to set the gyro calibration. That is this button on the left. So you press and hold it for around 3 seconds. And you will see everything flash and it beeps again. That tells you the gyro calibration is set up and correct. Next, what you're going to do is set the compass calibration. Now this is really important because this is going to tell your drone where to come back to if you press the return to home button. You're going to take the compass calibration button, which is the second one, and you're going to hold it for 3 seconds until you get a beep. Now the drone is flashing. Now to do this you have to pick the drone up. First of all you spin it around 3 times or until it beeps. Then you turn it down and you spin it again and it double beeps. So that means the compass calibration is complete, and now the drone will know where to come back to if you need to press the return to home button. Now what you're going to have to do is, of course, you're outside. So you're going to place the drone on the ground and you're going to step 1 meter or more away from the drone and wait for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, which allows the drone to search for the GPS signals. Once the drone beeps and the drone's remote control shows GPS count greater than 8, you can start up the drone. On the remote it will actually tell you, there's a little satellite image and it says pieces on there. When you get 8 or above, the drone will beep to say it's ready to take off. Anything more than 8 is perfect. Then what you're going to do is unlock the drone, and how you do that is you press the button here and then the blades will start spinning, and then you can push up on the stick for the drone to take off. If you want to stop the blades, they will stop automatically, or you can press both sticks down and outwards and that will stop it also. Alright, now what we're going to talk about is getting the app for your cell phone. In this one manual there is a QR code and you can scan that, and what you're going to do is download the app called LW Pro from either the Play Store or the Apple Store. And the symbol will look like that, a little drone. After installing the app, make sure you turn off your mobile data, and then what you're going to do is you're going to use the Wi-Fi to connect to the drone. The drone actually gives out its own Wi-Fi signal. That's what you're going to connect to. So go to Settings, Connections, Wi-Fi, and it will usually say LW Pro GPS. I relabeled mine as Bigley Brothers, but you are going to be looking for LW Pro GPS. You click on it and it's connecting through. Just wait until it says connected without internet. Perfect. Then you're going to back out and you're going to go in the LW Pro app. Now it's going to ask you to agree to the user agreement and privacy policies, and then just agree with all the permissions that are requested in order for it to save the video or pictures that you take. So I've already got it done, so you're going to go LW Pro and you click on Start Play. And as long as you can see through the camera of the drone, which you can see me there, you're all set up. And then what you can do is activate the drone's propellers, move the left throttle stick upwards, and the drone will take off. Just like that. Okay, so if you have happened to encounter an issue with the GD93 GPS connectivity, I'm just going to quickly go through one more time just to help you get everything set up properly. So first of all, you're going to place the drone in a horizontal position, camera facing towards you, and you're going to turn the drone on by pressing the button on the battery. Wait for the drone to sign up, signal on, just like that. Then what you're going to do is turn on the remote control with the button right there, and it's on. Wait a couple of seconds. Then you are going to do the gyro calibration, which is this button on the left. You press and hold for 3. It beeps. Beeps again. Gyro calibration is all set up. Then you're going to do the compass calibration. So you're going to press this button here for 3 seconds. It beeps. Then you're going to pick the drone up and you're going to spin it horizontally 3 times or until it beeps. It beeps. You're going to turn it camera face down and spin it 3 times or until it double beeps. Then you know it is set up. Then what you do is place the drone back on the ground and wait 3 to 5 minutes. You should hear the beeps and see the satellite signals on the remote controller indicating that you have GPS connection. If after 3 minutes there's no beep or GPS signal displayed, just adjust the controls, just like this. Hold the left throttle stick in the upper topmost position and the right stick in the bottom rightmost position, and that will reset everything. Then you can go through the motions again and it should connect up together. So enjoy your flying experience with the GD93 Midnight Specter drone. Of course, if you have any questions or need any more help, please don't hesitate to contact our customer support team. Have fun flying. Talk to you later.